Hello guys, pauwi tayo sa ating bukirin guys. Ito daming tanim dito guys. Saging, yung kasaba, dami guys, sari. May mga kamuti guys. Yan, dito nakuhan guys. Oh. Gulay, talong, may mga pa ng mani dito guys, puno ng mani ito guys. Oh. Yan, samutsari dito guys ang nakatanim. May mga kapayas guys ito guys. Oh. Daming bunga guys. Itinanim na itong kapayas guys, hindi kung ano guys, pakain lang ng baboy guys. You know? Buti pa yung baboy guys, eh, healthy. Yung tao unhealthy. Ayun, kuha tayo ng isang kapayas guys. So, tuksoy natin guys. Oh, catch natin guys. Okay, so uwi na tayo guys kasi tapos na tayo nagkakuha guys. Yan. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to share and like my video guys. Thank you.